So pissed off at Corey. Just mad at the world. Just want to smack someone in the friggin' face. Ugh. Gotta go to work right now, Walmart. Wanna be the fucking Walmart greeter? Greeting all those welfare check people? Months? Like my cousin that I never call on, but I bitch about her all day? Yeah. 'Cause I'm Jane Comer. Fuck, Corey, you piss me off. Make me so mad. Work 2 days a week. And vacuum once. Now I gotta go to work and greet all these people at Walmart. I'm so pissed. Arrgh! I'm gonna screen all your calls now. When you go to court, you can't drive Trish home. Or I'll lose it.